Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of fast food and uncovering some of the most gut-busting menu items that your doctor might not approve of. It's time to explore the darker side of the drive-thru, where a single meal can pack more calories and sodium than you should consume in an entire day. Let's get started. First up, we have the Wendy's Big Bacon Classic Triple. This burger is a true testament to the power of saturated fat. Picture eating a full stick of butter's worth of saturated fat and then some. It's like a double whammy of trans fat, clearing double what health guidelines recommend for an entire day. That's a lot of fat in one bite. Next, we've got the Wendy's Pretzel Baconator. This sandwich is a sodium overload, with a single serving accounting for 73% of a full day's recommended limit. It's like a sodium bomb, leaving no room for anything else you might want to eat that day. And don't even get me started on the fries that come with it. Moving on, the Burger King Triple Whopper with mayo is a calorie and fat extravaganza. 3 patties stacked under a heavy pour of mayonnaise? Simple description, less simple consequence. This sandwich alone packs more than half a day's calorie allowance, before you even add any sides. It's like a calorie explosion in your mouth. Now, let's talk about Taco Bell's XXL Grilled Stuffed Burrito. This burrito is a sodium and calorie powerhouse, packing nearly the entire day's sodium limit into a single tortilla. It's like a sodium explosion in a tortilla, and it's not even that big. It fits in one hand, but it doesn't behave like it. Sonic's SuperSONIC Bacon Double Cheeseburger with mayo is another calorie and fat bomb. Every version of this burger clears 1,100 calories on its own, and this particular one adds mayo, bringing in 3.5 grams of trans fat. It's like a double whammy of unhealthy fats. But hey, who needs health guidelines when you can have a burger that's almost as big as a meal? Next, we've got Guys Bacon Cheeseburger. This burger came out on top in a comparison of 30 major chains, but not for the reasons you'd expect. It's a calorie and sodium monster, with 980 calories and 1,050 milligrams of sodium. That's a lot of sodium and calories in one bite. Now, let's talk about Shake Shack's Shack Stack. This burger is a combination of 2 burgers, the Shroom Burger and the Angus Beef Cheeseburger. It's like a double burger extravaganza, and the nutrition numbers follow from it exactly the way you'd expect. It's a calorie and fat overload, but it's a delicious one. Finally, we've got McDonald's Double Quarter Pounder with cheese meal. Add the fries and a soda to this sandwich, and the running total hits roughly 2,000 calories. That's not a snack, that's most adults' entire recommended daily intake, purchased in a single transaction that takes about 90 seconds at the window. It's like a calorie explosion in a meal. So, there you have it, folks. These fast food menu items are a testament to the power of portion size and the dangers of overindulging. It's a reminder that sometimes, less is more. What do you think? What's your favorite gut-busting fast food item? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more food-related content.